Hello, this is Maria Sundström speaking, and this is a short guide for Zoom for online teaching and learning. If you don't have Zoom on your computer, download and install it from zoom.us/download. All Åbo Academy staff should sign in to Zoom like this. Click Sign In. Then click SSO. Do not enter your email and password here. Type Åbo Academy in the field and click Continue. Log in as usual to Haka. This is how you schedule a meeting for your course. Click the Schedule button in the Zoom app. Enter the name of your course. Enter the date for the last time you will need this meeting, for example, the last day of May. You don't need to change end date and time, just leave them as they are. A Zoom meeting can be started as many times you like before this date and 30 days after. Let Zoom automatically generate a meeting ID for your meeting. Do not use your personal meeting ID for meetings scheduled for courses. When selecting other calendars, Zoom will not add this as a meeting to your Outlook calendar. Click Advanced Options and select Enable Join before Host. This enables your students to enter the meeting even if you are not there yourself. This way, they can enter the meeting to test that their microphone and webcam are working properly before the actual meeting. By selecting Mute Participants on Entry, the participants' microphones are muted when they enter the meeting. They can unmute their microphones when they want to. When you are done, click Schedule. You will now see the link to the meeting. Copy this and add it to your Moodle course or send the link by email to your participants. You will now find your scheduled meeting in the Zoom app in the Meetings view. You can start your meeting from here, you can edit it, delete it, and find the link again.